If you've been looking for a way to boost your health, lose weight, and gain more energy without restrictive diets or complicated meal plans, then you're in the right place. Intermittent fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's about giving your body the time it needs to reset, recharge, and work at its best. But how does it really work? And how can you start? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to make intermittent fasting work for you. Let's get started. First, let's break down what intermittent fasting actually is. It's not a diet in the traditional sense. Instead, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. There are no strict rules about what you can eat, although healthier choices will obviously get you better results. But it's all about when you eat. The idea is to give your body a break from digesting food so it can focus on other important tasks, like repairing cells, regulating hormones, and burning fat. So, why has intermittent fasting become so popular? The benefits are pretty impressive, and they're backed by science. First and foremost, intermittent fasting can help with weight loss. During the fasting period, your body switches from using glucose for energy to burning stored fat. This process, called ketosis, can lead to a steady reduction in body fat over time. Plus, many people find it easier to eat fewer calories overall because they're not snacking or grazing throughout the day. But the benefits go far beyond weight loss. Studies show that intermittent fasting can improve your insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and may reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. It's also been linked to lower inflammation levels, which can protect you from chronic diseases like heart disease and even certain types of cancer. On top of that, fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This is why intermittent fasting is often associated with anti-aging benefits and improved brain health. Now let's talk about how to get started. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, so you can choose one that fits your lifestyle. The most common approach is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you might skip breakfast, have your first meal at noon, and finish eating by 8 p.m. Another popular option is the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and significantly reduce your calorie intake, say 500 to 600 calories, for the other 2 days. There's also the Eat-Stop-Eat method, which involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. When you're starting out, it's important to ease into it. If the idea of a 16-hour fast feels daunting, start with a 12-hour fast and gradually work your way up. During your fasting period, you can drink water, black coffee, or tea, but avoid anything with calories. Staying hydrated is crucial, as it can help curb hunger and keep you feeling energized. What should you eat during your eating window? While intermittent fasting doesn't dictate specific foods, choosing nutrient-dense options will maximize your results. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid overcompensating by eating junk food or excessive calories during your eating window, as this can counteract the benefits of fasting. Many people worry about feeling hungry during their fasting period, but the truth is, hunger tends to subside as your body adapts to the new routine. If you find yourself struggling, try distractions like going for a walk, staying busy with work, or drinking a big glass of water. Over time, you'll notice that your body gets used to the schedule, and the hunger pangs become less intense. One of the keys to success with intermittent fasting is listening to your body. If you feel weak, lightheaded, or overly fatigued, don't push yourself. Intermittent fasting isn't about suffering. It's about finding a balance that works for you.